Hi everyone, welcome to official channel of Git Talks. So today is session number 6 and today questions levels are designed moderate to difficult because the shift is hard, the level will not be more than this, okay? So let's start. See, the first question you can see on the screen is how many primary keys can a table contain? Is it 1, 2, 4 or 6? Here answer is option number 1. See, a database table can contain only one primary key. A primary key may consist of one or more columns in a table. See, question number 2. DBMS is a set of programs which allows to database administrator to maintain a database. Your answer is option number 4. Which of the following is not a database type? See, flat file database, relation database, distributed database, all these three belongs to a database type. Answer here answer is option number 4, simple database. Which of the following SQL command is used to retrieve data from a database table? So, select is used to retrieve data from a database table. Which of the following radiation is used for wireless communication? I think all of you know this answer. Here answer is infrared, option number 3. See, question number 6. The predefined words of a programming language are called keywords, constant, functions or identifiers. So these are called keywords. And the ANSI C language supports 32 predefined keywords. So how many keywords are there in C language? It is 32. What does DAB stand for? See, DAB stands for Digital Audio Broadcasting, and it's a technique used to get information about various things related to audio communication, which include music, road condition, weather report, etc. The entities with fixed values do not change their values throughout the execution of program, so they are known as constants. Option number 3. Which of the following is not a bitwise operator in the C language? See, option number 1, option number 2 and option number 3. All these three belong to bitwise operator. And the option number 4 is increment operator. The plus operator is used to increment a value by 1. Which of the following files used to set the styles of the elements of an HTML tag? So it is .css file. CSS stands for cascading style sheet, which contains style that can be applied to one or more HTML web pages. So CSS full form is cascading style sheet. Which of the following operator is used to compare two queries and return value that are present in both the queries? So here answer is intersect, option number 2, intersect. UDP and TCP are categorized under the dashed layer of the OSI model. So both these two protocols work under transport layer, and UDP means user datagram protocol and TCP means transmission control protocol. What do you understand by the term access time? See, access time means seek time plus latency time. And access time is the total time taken to give a request and get the acknowledgement of that request in the computer system. Question number 14. See, the first electronic digital computer contained electronic bulbs, vacuum tubes, transistor or semiconductor memory. So in first generation we use vacuum tubes. So here answer is option number 2, vacuum tubes. Which term is used to compare processing speed of various computer systems? So it is MIPS. MIPS, million instruction per second. It is basically used to compare the processing speed of different computer systems. See, question number 16. A distributed network configuration in which all the data information pass through a central computer. So this type of network we call star network. Star network. Dash is considered as a universal flip-flop. So it is we call universal flip-flop means JK flip-flop. Okay. Which of the following types of cable is the most vulnerable to crosstalk? So it is UTP, unshielded twisted pair cable. Okay. What is the name of the process in which clever methods are applied to extract data pattern? So we use data mining. We use data mining to extract data pattern. Question number 20. See, which of the following is used to show the output of the combination of logic input? So for output we use truth table. So truth table shows the output. Okay. Shift, Control, Alt are examples of which among the following category? See, all these three are examples of modifier keys. Okay. And you know function keys starts from F1 to F2, F3, F4. Toggle keys means is caps lock and num lock comes under toggle keys. And alphanumeric keys starting from A to Z and number is 0 to 9. A policy on firewall need not to be ensured that is logically secured. Okay. Here answer is option number 1. Which of the following is wrong? See, client can store information. It is correct. LAN is faster than man. It is also correct. Servers are powerful PCs. It is also correct. Here wrong is option number 4. Peer-to-peer network have high security. So peer-to-peer network have low security. And the reason is because the network has the capability to share data and resources with other computer. Okay, which of the following is not done by modem? See, data accuracy is not done by modem, and all other things are done by modem. Okay, which of the following layer of an ISO OSI reference model for networking supporting routers? So routers works under network layer. And what do you mean by router? Means it's a combination of bridge and router. Data on a floppy disk was recorded in rings called. So these rings are called segments. Okay, segments. Option number 3. Question number 27. See, which one of the following approaches is generally used for testing a software application? So for testing a software application, we use smoke testing, and smoke testing means it refers to quick and dirty test that the measure function of a piece of software work without bothering with finer details. Okay. Dash is used for network to set up within a building. So within a building we use local area network, that is LAN. Dash is used to read choice filled up by student in common entrance test. I think all of you know this. It is OMR, optical mark recognition. Option number 3. See, question number 30. In a bank, after computerization, checks are taken care of by which technology? It is MICR technology. So the full form of MICR is magnetic ink character recognition. It's a character recognition technology used primarily by the banking industry to facilitate the processing and clearance of checks and other documents. So the full form of MICR is magnetic ink character recognition. Image can be sent over phone line using which one? It is fax. Okay, option number 2. See, question number 32. See, which of the following command is used to give a database access privilege to the user of a database? So for this we use grant command, and revoke command used to take back permission. Okay. Question number 33. See, which of the following is not a type of join in DBMS? So here answer is inner and outer join. And in DBMS 4 joins are there: self join, outer join, inner join, and cross join. Okay. Which of the following is not a TCL command? See, TCL command here is grant is not a TCL command. Commit, rollback, and save point comes under TCL command, and TCL means transaction control language. Okay, transaction control language. SEO stands for which one? SEO stands for search engine optimization. Search engine optimization. See, which social networking is considered the most popular for business marketing? So for most popular for business marketing we use LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn. Which is a hardware component, typically a circuit board or chip, which is installed on a computer so it can connect to a network. So it is called NIC, Network Interface Card. Network Interface Card. In an email message, a copy of the message is sent to that recipient, but the name is not visible to others. See, name is not visible to others. So the answer will be blind carbon copy, BCC. Name is not visible, so blind carbon copy. And CC means carbon copy. Which is a communication protocol used to find the media access control address of a device. Form is IP address. So we use ARP request, address resolution protocol. ARP, address resolution protocol. The data register used for temporarily holding data being transferred to or from any memory location is known as memory buffer register. Memory buffer register. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you.